course, the thing that I learned is there is a lot of problems relating to strata management which need to be addressed because people are not fully aware of the rights and obligations under the Strata Management Act 2013.
This is a fantastic event, which in fact REHDA is doing a very good job, doing a service to not only to the individuals but to the whole of Malaysia involved in the strata development.
REHDA Management Corporation. I must echo Mr. Jacob's views on the need.
But I think in general, I feel very encouraged by REHDA in bringing the awareness to the parcel owners, proprietors in general, and also the JMBs and MCs. I think that should be the way to bring awareness to them and telling them that there are liabilities. There were also fines and even imprisonment if they run foul of the law.
I think it's good, very informative, big turnout. Yeah, I've learned a lot more on the legal side of Strata Management Act. Yeah. My favorite speaker is the first and the last, Dato' Pritam and Roshan.